Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is February 28th, 2023, and it's about 7:40 a.m. and we have a uh, snow, winter snow last night around. I think it's like started like 9 p.m. and it is intermittently pouring overnight. So let me just flip the camera to show you what I'm gonna do this morning. Okay, so here we go. I think we have accumulated like 4 to 5 inches overnight. So here you can see how tall is the snow accumulated overnight. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dig our car and shovel the sidewalk because you need to do that. And I need to what you call this bring my daughter to the school because they just they didn't the only what you call this they only implement delayed school class, so they did not implemented snow day. I don't know because I think the snow will stop around noon today, so they just delayed the class for 90 minutes, so we should be there like 9:55, and I have time to shovel all this snow. Okay, so this I'm gonna do, cut the trees. And this is the what you call probably the major snow this winter, because we haven't got snow for the past few months, and it's already February, end of February. So gonna go out now and do my job today, and I'm gonna see you in a bit. Okay.